Hello and welcome to day 30 of, I almost said lockdown Welsh. No, that's the wrong one. Bedtime Welsh. Bedtime Welsh. And bunch of people like your idea of having a Zoom, Angharad. So Tills and Idris and Jack all like the idea of a Zoom. There was a cat off there somewhere for Rebecca to wave at. So you're going to have to do the Zoom thing. You're going to sort it all out. You're going to organise it. You're going to tell people in the channel when it's ready. Yeah? Okay. Coming soon. So today we got another nice, easy day. A useful new word. The new word for today is to start. To start is dechrau. Dechrau. So to start.
Dechrau.
Dechrau. This is really useful. It can fit with so many different things and it's quite easy. You'll get the hang of it very, very soon. So I'm starting is
Dwi'n dechrau.
dwi'n dechrau. Dwi'n dechrau. Okay, how about I'm starting to remember?
Dwi'n dechrau cofio.
Dwi'n dechrau cofio. How about I want to start?
Dwi isio dechrau.
Dwi isio dechrau. How about I want to start playing?
Dwi isio dechrau chwarae.
Dwi isio dechrau chwarae. And that's enough for tonight. I said it would be an easy one. See how many different ways you can think of sentences using dechrau over the next day or so. You should be able to find you can use them with almost everything else you've learnt so far. So, okay, good luck with that, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!